All right, it's time for Peepaw's cooking. This time my mama made mashed potatoes. Gonna want to take your potatoes. You're gonna want to. I didn't hit them. Oh my god! You're gonna want to take your potatoes. You're gonna want to. God, I've ruined my bat. Oh no. Alright, whatever. Take potatoes. Alright, let's give it a taste test, shall we? Oh my god, that's horrid. Alright, this was that other one. I need some more mashed potatoes. Foot reveal. Yeah. Oh, horrendous. Alright, this has been cooking with Peepaw.